it's the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy Z Fold3 is not here on Straight Talk. It recently got released to Straight Talk. It's available now for $16.99.99. So it have the price for this phone here, of course. So yeah, so you guys want to pay a pretty penny for this phone here. You guys want to pay full retail price for it, because I doubt Straight Talk offers a payment point on this phone here. So it's $16.99.99. So the model number is F926U1, and so this is the Galaxy Z Fold3. Obviously, very nice looking phone, but expensive as hell. So you guys have the inside of the phone there. This is your main screen here, which is where most of your stuff is going to happen. Here is on the inside of the phone here. You guys have that, and yeah, your power button is on the right side along with your fingerprint sensor. Your volume keys is on the right side as well. So that's the inside of the Z Fold3, and I don't know why they're showing the Galaxy Z Flip 3 here. I don't know why, but they're showing it. I guess they'll fix that, maybe, we'll see. And so this is the outside of the Galaxy Z Fold3. You guys have your triple camera system on the back along with your camera flash right here. And then this is your curved display here, and you guys will have a front facing camera right here. So yeah. Y'all guys do have a fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. So no in-display fingerprint sensor on this phone here. So yeah. Scroll down. And there's no option to pay for it monthly, so you guys will have to pay $1,700 for this phone for retail price, alright? So yeah. So it says here, captures like no other. Flex it, leave it, then join a video call and chat hands-free. View your latest pics on the left panel as you frame your next shot on the right. Take selfies with nearly invisible on the display camera. No other Galaxy captures like this. So yeah, specs on this phone. First is dimensions. You have 6.23 inches height, 5.4 inch. So when it's opened, the dimensions are 6.23 inches height, 5.4 inches width, and 0.25 inches depth. When the phone is closed, it's 6.23 inches height, 2.64 inches width, and 0.59 inches depth. Display is a 7.6 inch internal display, which is a QXGA Plus display, 1760 by 2208 pixel resolution. That's the internal display. The external display, which is your cover screen, that is a 6.2 inch display, which is HD Plus according to this, which is 832 by 2268. Some weird ass pixel resolutions there. You do get 3 cameras on the back at 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 12 megapixel telephoto lens on the back, 10 megapixel front facing camera, and then you get a 4 megapixel front facing camera under the display. So yeah, let me go back up here. So y'all guys do have a front facing camera on the inside of the display there that is 4 megapixels. So not the greatest, but could be worse. So it's somewhere in this area. I think it's like right here where your front facing camera is on the inside. I think it's like right here. You can't barely see it though, because it's under the display. So very cool for like video chats and stuff like that. So you actually get 2 front facing cameras. The cover display camera is 10 megapixel front facing, and the internal display camera is 4 megapixels. Alright. So yeah. Now where were we? Battery is up to 37 hours. Bluetooth, I think it's 5.1. 4400 mAh battery. Processor Snapdragon 888 processor, of course. Last year's flagship processor, so pretty good. GPS. Hearing aid, 37 hours of talk time. 256 gigabytes. So you don't get no external memory on here, so it's all internal. So y'all guys get 250. So I think y'all get 2 storage options here. 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of ROM and 12 gigabytes of RAM. I think that's what it is. It's 12 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, I'm guessing the 512 gigabyte version is probably $1,800, maybe. I'm not sure. So the 256 gigabyte version is $1,700, I guess. So what comes in the box is nothing special. You guys still get a Galaxy Z Fold3, obviously, plus your data cable and the ejection pin. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box. So if you guys have an extra charging brick, you guys want to use that. So pretty much minimal packaging and pretty much standard packaging now from Samsung. So yeah, more features. There's the phone being open on the front and back. Captures like no other. Open Galaxy Z Fold3 5G and feast your eyes on 7.6 inches of expansive tablet-like viewing. Easy multitasking. Your phone delivers PC like productivity but folds in the palm for portability. Flex mode provides multi-dimensional experience, so you can do things faster, better, and more efficiently. It has IPX8 water resistance, the world's first water resistant foldable smartphone. An IPX8 rating means you can unfold freely even if you're caught in the rain. I would not submerge this phone. I would not submerge it. I would not do that. Immersive viewing. When the 7.6 inch Infinity Flex display lights up like magic, the front camera disappears, leaving nothing behind but your YouTube video. So yeah, very nice, sir. Very nice looking phone. Great specs. One of course expensive as fuck. That's the only thing I like about the phone, but it is what it is, guys. This phone does have a lot of features on it. I think Straight Talk has two storage options, 256 gigs and 512 gigs. So I think the 256 gigabyte version is $16.99.99. Then the 512 gigabyte version is $17.99.99, I guess. They don't say what storage option is what price. I don't know why they don't do that. They should do that. I think it's $100 between the two storage options, I believe. So yeah, if you guys want to spend almost $2,000 on the phone, the Galaxy Z Fold3 is the phone for you. Y'all guys better get insurance on this phone here. But y'all guys better get insurance on it, especially y'all guys want to pay full price for it at Straight Talk. There is no option to pay for it monthly, so do keep it in mind. Straight Talk is the third prepaid carrier to offer the Galaxy Z Fold3. Verizon was the first prepaid carrier to offer the Z Fold3. Boost Mobile was surprisingly the second prepaid carrier to offer the Galaxy Z Fold3, which I was surprised that Boost Mobile got the phone anyway. But now Straight Talk has the Galaxy Z Fold3, which is pretty cool. So if you guys want Straight Talk, or think about switching to if you guys want Straight Talk, or think about switching to Straight Talk, and y'all guys want to pay and y'all guys want a foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold3 is now available for $1,700. Alright, so you guys have to pay full retail price. Obviously no contracts, of course, so that's a win. So yeah, there you guys have it, Galaxy Z Fold3, now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.